I'm Bianca Hanley. My team created ThoughtCache. It's a website where the user can store a thought, anything that's been on their mind, and they can also retrieve a thought. So it'll be something someone else cached. A way for people to communicate and just share random thoughts they've had. A setting where there's like no comments, none of that, just share with the public.
Hello, my name is Zach Corey. I'm also one of the developers of ThoughtCache. So our intended audience was to target high school students. We picked teenagers since they have a lot of access to websites via their phones, their laptops, and other electronic devices that they may use. Since thoughts you cache on ThoughtCache aren't correlated with your identity, ThoughtCache is a good way to escape toxicity and cyberbullying.
My name is Ben. I also worked on the website. For the programming languages that we used HTML to basically lay the framework of the website. We used JavaScript to basically give it functionality. And we also used CSS to stylize the website, basically make it look more appealing.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey, and I'm going to show you how the website itself works. So if you go to thoughtcache.firebaseapp.com, you'll see this page here. It's divided into two sections, cache and fetch. And if you click on the cache section, it opens up and you can go ahead and type in whatever's on your mind. So I'll type in, I really like this website. And then you can go ahead and hit the cache button. And over here, you'll see that your thought has been submitted. So after you submit a thought, this is what it looks like on the back end. So this is the most recent one, and if I open it up, it says, I really like this website, and it has 0 upvotes and downvotes, and that just means that nobody's voted on it yet. Now, back on the home screen, if we click on the fetch side, you can see the thoughts that other people have submitted. So Alaska and Hawaii are like DLCs for the US. That's a pretty good thought. I'm gonna go ahead and upvote that. Running from the cops is the ultimate double or nothing. You know what? I don't really encourage running from the cops, so I'm going to go ahead and downvote that. You get the idea. You can go ahead and submit your own thoughts, and other people will see them as well.
Innovative.
Epic. Legendary.
Cool. Groundbreaking.
Breathtaking.
Inventive. ThoughtCache.
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 ThoughtCache.